Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is the update for the next version of Windows, as now we have the official details. So I had posted a video yesterday saying that we now had rumors of when all of this is happening. So the rumors are true, and Microsoft yesterday in a Twitter post on the Insider blog actually mentioned that the next version of Windows will be called the November 2019 update. It is going to be available early November for everybody, well, for seekers. So what's that? So, okay, we'll start with the beginning. Within the next 10 days, like I said, there should be, or the next 2 weeks, there will be the official release to insiders. And that will be built, apparently, from what we know, is probably going to be built 18363.418, I believe. And that will be the official build. So the build is going to have a small number, like I was thinking it was going to be. And that's going to happen within the next 2 weeks. So insiders will have it. It'll be the official release. I will, of course, talk about it when it's official. And then what's going to happen is that early November, seekers will start seeing it on the Windows updates. Of course, as you know, we now have a new category of updates, which is the optional updates, where you can click download and install. That's where it's going to appear. So if you go and check out Windows updates early November when it's officially released, well, the seekers, the ones that do that, will see it on their optional downloads and updates, the November 2019 update. Now, Microsoft is trying to have you to go there because one of the things that it wanted to actually say and do with the new version is stability. So they say that this version has been actually tweaked a lot, and mostly to fix the bugs and to have it as stable as possible for a version of Windows 10. So there could be a reason why people should actually move on to the November 2019 update, and it's for stability reasons. So they have intentionally made the least amount of new features and intentionally done this update for stability. And I think that actually shows us that Microsoft itself knows that they need to have the best Windows 10 stability possible. So the November 2019 update is going to be, and the focus is really on stability and making sure that it works right and that it works great. So that might be a reason why you want it. At the same time, it will be the version of Windows available when Windows 7 is actually retiring. So you want to have this most stable version of Windows, as people from Windows 7, probably some of them are still out there thinking, do I really need, or do I really want to go to Windows 10? I'm hearing all of these stories. Well, I think that's the response to that is the November 2019 update. So early November for seekers, and then eventually rolling out faster and faster to everybody. And within the next 2 weeks, it will be available for insiders. And the build will probably be something like 18363.418 or something like that. So this is official. We now know that it's going to be called the November 2019 update. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.